Hi friends, today I'm sharing with you my 6 favorite lunchbox ideas. There's quite a selection here. We've got broccoli and cheese potato tots, zucchini slice, cheats fruit and nut slice, mini carbonara quiches, egg muffins, and granola bars. Stop sending your kids to school with the packet stuff. This stuff is so much better and they're great for big kids too. You're gonna love all of these recipes, so make sure you stick around until the end. Let's get to it. Hi friends, we are going to be making cheesy broccoli and potato tots. Today I'm going to be using my Thermocook Pro M2.0. So let me show you the ingredients that you are going to need. Grated cheese, panko breadcrumbs, broccoli, an egg, 2 potatoes, and some Italian herbs. So go ahead and preheat your oven. I've got mine on 200 degrees Celsius or about 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn this on. I'm just going to prepare my potatoes first. So they are nicely cubed here. Steam it for 4 minutes. Mix in here our cheese, our panko, and our egg, and just season it however you think that you and your family will like. So just a tiny little bit, give it a mix. So now is a perfect time to add in the broccoli. So throw this in, let it steam for another 1.5 minutes. Oh yeah. So I'm just gonna put it on blade 3. Come check it out. Now it's time to give these a really good combine. So all of those ingredients now can be mixed together really well. So these are going to go into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh yeah, yum. Hello my bakers, we're going to be making the best zucchini slice. Go get your oven on, it needs to be 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. For the ingredients, we've got some grated zucchini and some carrot. We've got some ham, grated cheddar cheese, and we've also got some spinach. Eggs, some self-raising flour, some oil, mixed herbs, and then some salt and pepper as well. With these ingredients, the great thing about zucchini slice is that you can sub things in and out. So if you don't like carrot, put in sweet potato instead. Or if you need to use up something else in your fridge, just sub out that quantity for whatever you'd like to use instead. Pour in your eggs and give them a little whisk. So just drop this into the egg mixture. For the cheese, you can put about 3/4 in, and I'm just gonna leave a little bit to sprinkle on the top at the very end. Go ahead and add your oil and your mixed herbs. Combine all of the ingredients. And now it's time to add in our flour and give it a mix until it's nice and smooth and well combined. We're just going to add it to our tin here and then sprinkle with cheese. Give it a little bit of salt and pepper as well, and then it'll be ready to bake. Okay, so into the tin we go. So into the oven it goes. It's going to take about 30 minutes, but really just monitor yours, and you want to bring it out of the oven when the cheese is nice and crispy on top and it's cooked all the way through. Yum! Delicious. Hello Bon Bakers, today we're going to be making a really awesome and easy and delicious fruit and nut slice. So let's get to it. 1 cup of cornflakes, oats, chocolate chips, a mixed fruit nut seed, 1 cup of mini marshmallows. You will also need 1 tin of sweetened condensed milk. You'll also need to turn on your ovens to a moderate temperature to preheat. So I've got mine on 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Throw in all of your ingredients. All of them. Time to add in your sweetened condensed milk as well. Into the oven we go now for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna cut myself off a tiny piece here. Wow. Hello Bon Bakers, today we are going to be making mini carbonara quiches. So let me show you what you are gonna need. Thickened cream, chopped spinach, chopped parsley, finely grated parmesan cheese, some egg, bacon, and garlic, which I've just cooked very slightly, some spaghetti, and I've used angel hair spaghetti and I've pre-cooked this so it's all ready to go. I also have some salt and pepper here, which we're just gonna sprinkle on top before they go into the oven. A muffin tin or muffin tray, which I'm just going to spray now with a bit of oil. You'll need to preheat your oven, turn it on to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab our cooked bacon here and we're gonna pour it into our pasta mixture and then we're just going to toss it to combine. Combine our eggs and our cheese here with our cream and we're gonna give it a good mix. Now from here, I'm gonna add in my chopped spinach and mix that in as well. Start putting this into the tins here and they can just go straight in and we wanna try and make them as even as possible. With your egg mixture, we're just gonna give it that one last whisk before we start pouring it over the top. Salt and pepper. So just go ahead and put a little bit on each one. So now it's going to go into the oven until they're set for about 17 minutes, but you want to just check yours as always. Yum! I am so ready to eat one of these. And then just try and pop him up. There we go. Whoa. I am not gonna be able to stop eating this. I even forgot, I got so excited, I forgot to add my parsley here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, adding this to the top. But honestly, this is so amazing. Please make it at home. You will not regret it. Hello Bon Bakers, we're gonna be making frittata egg muffins. So let me show you what you are gonna need. Eggs, some salt and pepper, some feta, shallots, tomato, and some spinach. You need to get that oven on, preheated, and turn it on to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat your muffin tins with some of this spray. So now all that's left to do is start spooning this out into our muffin tins. Woohoo! So I have taken these out of the oven after 20 minutes. Yum! Delicious! Hello friends, today I'm going to be sharing with you all a no-bake granola bar recipe. Let me show you what you are gonna need. Some butter here, brown sugar, some honey, and then here I've got some salt and some cinnamon, oats, Rice Krispies, some raw almonds, some coconuts, chocolate chips. And if you don't want to have chocolate in this recipe, you can sub it out for sultanas instead. And last but not least, some chia seeds. So with your microwavable bowl here, grab your butter, your sugar, and your honey, and we can put it all in, and then we're gonna microwave it and turn it into a caramel sauce. We're gonna heat it up for about 2 minutes, do it in 30-second increments, and give it a stir. So first 30 seconds done, and it's all started to melt together. Now add in your salt and your cinnamon, your oats, and your Rice Krispies. So it's literally just in with all of your other ingredients. And if it seems a little bit not sticky enough just yet, Don't worry, we're gonna start pushing it all together and it'll form a nice solid granola base. Now this needs to go into the fridge or the freezer to set. So probably about 2 hours in the fridge or about maybe half an hour, 45 minutes in the freezer. See how you go. Yum, oh, I've just brought this out of the fridge. I'm ready to cut it up. Yum. Yum. Thank you for being here and joining me in the kitchen today. If there's any recipes that you want to learn how to make, make sure you let me know in the comments below. And if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell as well because I have a new video coming out every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.